and this will be really good for your bigger addition, because let's say 162 plus 99, you think that's hard, but actually it isn't. So do 99 plus 1, that equals 100, and then do 162, add 100, that equals 262, and then do 262, take away 1, that equals 261. So that is actually really easy. So now I'm going to give you 4 challenges. So red is going to be the easiest, black is going to be the middlest, and green is going to be the hardest. But then we're going to do black as an extension because our blue isn't really working that well. So we're going to use black as an extension and middle. So first we're going to do 26 plus 99. So I'm going to give you 20 seconds to solve that, and so you can pause the video and solve it, and then unpause the video and I'll do the answer. So 26 plus 99, so of course you do 99 plus 1 equals 100, then 26 plus 100 equals 126, and then do 126, take away 1, that equals 125, so 26 plus 99 equals 125. Now onto black, we will do 113 plus 98 equals, and I'll give you 20 seconds again to solve it. So pause the video and I'll unpause it after 20 seconds and I'll do the answer. So 113 plus 100 is 213. Then do 213 minus 2, that equals 211. So this equals 211. Now we're going to do green. So we will do 169 plus 97. I'll give you 20 seconds to solve that, and pause it for 20 seconds and then unpause it after you're done, and I'll do the answer. So 169 plus 97, it seems hard, so you'll do 169 plus 100 equals 269. 269 minus 3 equals 266. So 169 plus 97 equals 266. Now for the extension, I'm going into the 200s. So 268 plus 99 equals. So I'm going to give you 20 seconds to solve that. Pause it and then unpause it after you're done, and I'll do the answer. So 268 plus 99, it seems hard, so do 268 plus 100, that equals 368, and there's 368 minus 1, that equals 367. So 268 plus 99 equals 367. Now, at home, I will suggest practice this, and in comments, I'll see what you've done. And what should we do next? Algebra, times table, division, column method, place value, complex fractions, or division but with remainders. Comment down below on what you want. And if you have any more suggestions, then also comment it down below. See you. Bye bye.